Hey guys, we're back again at 10 o'clock. Battling for Spencer's figure lot. As seen, I got 50 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random. Copy. Paste. 1 through 50. All in a row. Gonna roll the dice, gotta get at least a 5. We got an 8. We're good to go. Good luck, guys. Here it comes. Todd, round 1. David, round 2. Phil, round 3. Matt, round 4. Phil again on top in round 5 and round 6. Matt Johnson, round 7. And our winner is David Montauk. In at number 5. Congrats, Dave. Here's the verification code and official results. MUHMGK. David Montauk. Number 5 is the winner. Congratulations. I'm done at 10:01. There you have it. Again, here's the official results and our winner. Congratulations. We'll see you next time. Thanks.